A very warm good evening, ma'am. I am Renu, journalist at Faircase Media. I would love to welcome Miss Pooja Anjanikar, the principal of Orchard International School. As currently we all are aware of the situation of COVID pandemic, and so many people are losing their jobs, and so same goes with the education system. Many teachers are losing their jobs due to this pandemic, and you are doing your level best to provide them jobs by providing them the information related to the jobs opportunity and the jobs that are opening in the field of education, and still you are facing so much of criticism. So many people are commenting negative things on your post. So how you tackle all of these things?
Since then, like it's almost 18 years. So since that time, so long, like I could feel the pain of the teachers. When I have been also worked as a teacher since long, and even as a principal, I would also sometimes was jobless. So I feel the pain of those teachers. So LinkedIn, like I have got almost more than 23,000 connections. So there are many teachers, many principals, many school owners who are there connected with me, and I'm very grateful for them that they are sending me their request. And it's a platform where we can connect the schools to the teachers. Yeah, I'm getting criticism because they are not able to get the complete details, or they have got the habit to write down just interested, or they are the teachers have grown more reluctant due to some kind of spams happening, some kind of frauds happening everywhere. So they are a little bit reluctant to join anywhere so easily, and everyone wants to work into their comfort areas, comfort zone. So they are not having that mindset, what is needs, what is our requirement now. So everyone has been thinking what is betterment for them. This is the reason why they come up with their comments.
So my next question is that what is the best part you love about being a principal that you could have never been experienced in other field? What is the best part of your being a principal you love about?
Being a principal is nothing but an head teacher of the school. So I would since long I have been stick to this sector. Means I love children, I love the creativity, I love to do things more at the management level. Even I like to do present myself. So that is only motivating me, and this is the only sector where we can do wonder of things together. So I've got so many roles to do into one sector, so that I don't feel so I'm getting it somewhere else. Even I work as a counselor into the same sector. So many job roles we do into one simple single profile. So this is the reason I like to be with now into this education sector.
You also run the educational hub, Maven of Education. What are the main focus points of your education hub that works on?
Company main motto was to get connected with schools, hand-holding them with whatever is the requirement, because there are many schools who they want to have a best curriculum or best structure to the children, but they are unaware about what exactly is necessary. Main major pillar of education is the underprivileged sector. I had many underprivileged women, children approaching me for the education lacking. They were needing counseling, they were needing guidance for their education. So we started with this Women of Education to have a training platform for them. So now I've almost since 4 or 5 years, like we've been starting with different vocational training programs for them. Currently, due to pandemic, we have only tailoring with us. I had almost 200 ladies connected with me long back. Main motive was that people should learn with us, people should grow with us, people should earn something from us, and they can have a sustainable life. So this was the motto behind Maven of Education.
I would love to request you that you would share a message for the students. 10th and 12th CBSE exams are postponed and cancelled due to COVID. That took a lot of twist in their life.
This moment, children are very much confused, worried, like what is their future, because they were taught only by 10th and 12th boards marks, only your future is been dependent. But I could tell them, future is not dependent on marks, future is dependent on your skills and abilities and your knowledge. So now you have acquired that, now you have learned it. So try to come out with that skills and ability to grow yourself more better. And failures are part and parcel of everything. Do anything you do in your life, you'll get failures. So don't worry by that. That's part and parcel. You will be getting that. Just overcome yourself. Just be more strong and see that don't get confused. Paths are always there. If always have plan A, B, C, D with you. Just don't stick plan out. Work more on your abilities, skills, strengthen yourself and grow.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us time from your busy schedule. It was a great session. On the behalf of Fair Case, I would love to thank you